Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now today we are going to see chroma removal with Keylight. So here first we will understand all inputs here. After this we will remove our final chroma and we will compose it this sort on any background. So first we have to understand all inputs in our this Keylight. Just connect it here. Now here you will see there are 4 inputs are. Now just a little bit unplug here. Now this is source, then in matte, out matte and BG. So first we have to connect our footage with our this source. Okay, so now I have selected and I have connected here. Now after this just we have to pick our color, which color you want to remove. Okay, so here I have green color, then double click here in our Keylight, then from screen's color just select color. So first check this one, enable here, then hold Ctrl and Alt and just pick your color. So now like this you can pick. Okay, now according to your selection you have removed your green backgrounds here. Now after this just we have to press A. Now press A. So now inside this you can see this is our matte actually. White means this will be opaque, black means this will be transparent. Okay, so just we have to make perfect black and white. So here just a little bit for only explanation, just I am creating roughly key here only for explanation all inputs here. Okay, so now then come here little bit in our screens matte and just a little bit adjust clip black and just a little bit clip white. Okay, so this is only for explanation. After this we will remove perfect chroma with the help of different methods. After this we will compose this sort on any background. Now press A here and come here in our RGB mode here. Now first background. Okay, so this background. So if you want to temporarily check your compositing on your background, then you can connect it here. So just connect any background. So I have taken this one and just connect it here with our this background. After this double click on Keylight here, then come here in view mode and just we have to click on composite here. Now you can see, and if you want to adjust your background then select this one and press T here and just adjust it. Okay, so here you can see your just temporary composed. Okay, so this is not your final composing but you can see. Then after this just I'm going to see here our out matte, which is our garbage, and in matte this is our actually hold matte. Okay, so how we can use all these mattes? Yes, now again just double click here in our Keylight and just again make it final result here. Now press A here. So this is actually our garbage, which is not actually our green background. So this is our garbage. Now again press A here, so you can actually see here this one we have to remove with the help of our this out matte. Okay, so actually you can remove. Now again take roto node, press O here, create a shapes. How we can use this matte? So just take this out matte input and just connect with your roto shapes here, then double click here in our Keylight and come here in downside, which is our out matte. Now just click and just click on alpha or alpha inverted. Okay, so now you can see this is alpha. Now just click on alpha inverted. Okay, now you have removed your garbage area. Now again press A here. So now you can see in RGB mode just only character your last. Finally just I am going to see this in matte or just hold matte here. So now again press A here. So just little bit adjust our gamma here. So this one like this. So suppose here if you are finding any hole like this, so with the help of our this in matte we can cover this one. Now again take roto node O and just create. So actually there are many other options for creating hold matte. Even you can also say our garbage matte. Okay, now just little only for explanation I have created this roto shape here. Just take this input and just connect it here. Again after this come here in Keylight, then come here in our in matte and just we have to define our this alpha here. Now you can see. Okay, so you have just covered this one. Okay, so here I have explained all these in. So mostly no one using this video. Even if you want you can use these in and out matte here, but no one is using our this background because they want to just compose separate on top of our this background. Okay, so like here if you want you can use. So just I selected this one, press 1 here. Now again press A here. Now just clear over this gamma. After this if you want you can take a merge node and just connect it here as a background and just connect it here as a foreground. Now press 1 like this. After this just a little bit reformat here. So maybe press tab maybe reformat, and just according to your footage, which is our 640 480, like this. Now just double click here. Now just delete this one. Now you can see. Okay, so like this you can compose shot if you want to. But actually in chroma removal we can't create a perfect matte with a single keyer or with a single key light. So for creating a perfect matte we have to use multiple keyer or key light. After this we will create a final matte, then we will compose our shot. So now we are going to see how we can create perfect matte with the help of multiple key lights. So now first select our this footage and just press 1 here and just adjust our viewer here. Okay, so first we have to analyze our footage here. So if there is any noise or grains here, so first we have to remove our grains or noise. After this we will create our matte. This footage is little bit low quality and also there are so many noise or grains here. So if you want you can just press B here, so easily you can see here in our blue channels. Okay, now again just press B here. Now in RGB. Okay, so first we will remove our just grain or noise here. Then select footage, press tab and just type denoiser. Denoise. After they just select your sample from your chroma background or green background and just take this area and just place it here. Okay, like this. Then if you want to adjust denoise amount, then you can adjust it. So just little bit come here and press B, so easily you can see. And if you want to adjust, then you can adjust this amount. Okay, so this is actually totally depends on your footage. So just little bit I have removed some noise here. Now after this just we will create matte here. So now just again press B here. So now in RGB mode. So till here just little bit adjust it here. Now press select this one, press tab and just type key light. Then type key light here and just adjust it here. Now little bit just make dot here. So hold control and just click it here because this is actually our footage, and from here just we will create our matte. Okay, so now this is our first key light, because with the help of different key light we will create our final matte. So now after this double click here in key light. Now first just pick our color here. So just first I am going to just remove this background from our little bit just top head area. After this we will remove our this downside area. Okay, so now double click here in our key light and just come here and just rename. So top side, come here in our parameter and just enable our this screen's colors and just pick color from here. So just a little bit hold control and alt and just pick little bit near to our this head area. So now press A here and just come here in our alpha mode and just we have to create our matte, and just we have to focus our on top of area here. Again double click and just adjust a little bit some screens gain here, so maybe a little bit. So all details just you have to maintain here. Remember this one while you are adjusting your screen grain or screen matte here. Okay, so there is actually just you have to check and just you have to adjust it here. Just we have to come here in our screens matte and just adjust a little bit this clip black and clip white value if any needed. So just a little bit adjust. So here just I am focusing only on top of area, not this down area, because we will use multiple key light here. So I think this is looking good here till here. Okay, this is looking good here, top one here. So later if any changes are needed, then we will adjust it here. So little bit if you want you can adjust it here. Okay, I think this is sufficient here. So now after the just I am going to remove a green background from our this just down area here. Okay, this one here. So how we can do? So take another key light here. So press tab button and just type key light here. So multiple just key light we have to use. Just connect it here and select this one and press 1 here. Now again press A here. So now this time just we have to pick sample from our this downside portion. Okay, so then double click here, same procedure, and enable our this color picker and just pick from this downside area. Hold control and alt and just pick sample from here like this. Now press A again. So now here just we have to focus our this area, not on top area. Okay, so just a little bit come here and just adjust again our screen grain and adjust our screen gain and just screens matte here. So just a little bit adjust it here. So because just I am focusing only just this area, not here all these things here, okay, because just we will take this top area from our this key light, okay. So just we have to adjust it here and just we have to focus here. So I think this is looking good here. So now after this just we have to combine these two key lights here, because just with the help of this key light, just select and press 1 here. So I have just maintain all details here, details all these here, and with the help of this key light just we have maintain these details here. Now after this just we have to merge both key lights here. So how we can merge? So just first we have to just take a roto node. So just select this one and press 1 here. So this is actually our focus area or top area. So just press O here and just take a roto node and just create roughly. So now just so how we can combine both key lights here. So after this just we have to take a key mix node, then press tab and just type key mix. So this key mix, B will be our this downside portion, so this one, so this will be our B here, and A, this one will be our A, and roto just we have to connect with this mask. So what it will do, it will take a portion from this key light according to this roto shape, okay. So now just select this one and press 1 here. So now you can see here all details are here. So if you want you can check it here like this, or here all these things. So if you will just select this one and press 1 here, so now you can see without this key light, and so now again press 1 here. So now you can see here, okay. So like this you can combine your multiple keys or multiple key light nodes here. Now after this what we have to do, because just we have to create a final mat. So after this just I am going to remove this garbage mat, this one, okay. So how we can remove all this here? So now again just take roto node for your garbage mat. So again press O here, then just roughly create. Then because this is a garbage mat, so just again finally take a merge node here. So this will be our B, and just this garbage roto will be our A. Just connect it here, then double click in our merge node here. Then in operations just we have to take mask, okay, this one important. So now you can see, okay. So now you have created your final mat with the help of multiple keys. So if you want to adjust little bit your top portion, then you can adjust with the help of this key light, and if you want to adjust this one, then you can adjust with the help of this key light, okay. So this is actually a main procedure how you can divide and how you can create your final mat, okay. So just double click here in roto and just give a name little bit, maybe this will be our garbage mat. Now after the just I am going to extract our character here. Then how we can use this final mat here? So just let me adjust it here. Now finally just we have to take a copy node here, then press K for copy node, this one, and this original footage will be our B, and this mat will connect with our this A input like this, and just a little bit hold control and just adjust it here, okay. So easily you can understand. So after this just we have to take a pre-mult. After this copy node, press tab, type just pre-mult. So now select this pre-mult and press 1 here finally, and again press A. We have to come in our RGB A mode here. Now you can see, okay. So all details are here, so usually you can see all these here. So everything is there, okay. So if you want to adjust your any parts of your characters or body, then you can adjust. So if you want to adjust this top one, then you can adjust with the help of this key light, and if you want to adjust this downside, then you can adjust with the help of our this key light, okay. So now after this how we can compose all these things? So first just we have to remove our this green spills. So how we can do all these things here? So just little bit come here in our original footage flow and just press tab here, type hue correct, then just click here and just we have to pick this green pixels. So and just click here green suppressor. Now you can see this is actually our just suppressor points, and if you want to just check it here where is your this color point, then just little bit hold control and just click. So now you can see according to your footage. So maybe here little bit you can see, so just little bit we have to adjust it. So maybe select and just little bit move here and just little bit remove here. So easily you can see like this. So now here I have removed our all green spills here. Then little bit if you want you can just after this pre-melt press tab here and just little bit edge blur, and maybe 1 or 2 pixels here, 1 pixels. Now finally just I am going to compose this shot on our this background here. Okay, so now press tab, just a little bit reformat this one, double click here according to your footage. Just you have to select size which is our 640/480 here. Now press 1 here. Then if you want to adjust your background, then after this select and press T for transform. So now after finally we have to merge our this character on top of our this background here. Now take a merge node and this will be our background, and this final output will be our foreground here like this, and select this one and press 1 here. So now you can see here our final compositing. Then little bit if you want to adjust your character position, then from here if you want you just take a transform node. So just press T. I think here this is looking good. Remaining thing you can adjust. Then take a defocus node, press tab and just adjust a little bit value here. So now you can see here I think this is looking good here, and just little bit just we have to focus here. So just here you can see everything just I have maintained here. So maybe I think little bit some problems here, so just we have to correct it here. So again just come here in our this final keyer here. So just we have to come here in our this top keyers, or you can say just top portion keyer, because here I think little bit some problems with our hair here. Okay, so because here is the main tricky points here. So now just I have selected this one, this key light, and press 1 here. Now press A. So just little bit adjust our this gamma here, so easily you can see here. So I think maybe you can see little bit these problems here. So just we have to fix this one. Okay, so how we can fix, just double click here with our key light and just adjust our this white value if you want. Okay, so this one, so let's just little bit I am going to adjust it here. So now you can see you have recovered your all details here. Then just switch off this one. Now finally just we have to check, select this one, press 1 here. Now press again A here in our RGB mode. Now this is looking good here. So there is no any pixelation, all these things here. So all details are here. So now just little bit finally, now just little bit play and check here. And if you want you can use after this crop or reformat, because here if you will see there is a bounding box. So just select this one, press tab, just type crop here and just a little bit reformat here. So this is our final output, and after this if you want a little bit use your color correction, then you can use it. Now just till here, control here, save, and just a little bit play and check here. So now you can see here there is no any problem. So this is looking good here, and remaining color correction, all these things you can adjust it here. So just after this merger just press G. So just little bit if you want you can adjust a little bit gain here, so maybe this one. So I think this is looking good here. Okay, so this is our final node graph here. So easily you can see here all these things here. So remaining thing you can adjust according to your requirement. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.